other students are going to come, but let's start our today's session. Amrit Pal also join. Amrit Pal, where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad.
Okay, okay, nice. See, the live session is going to start in English only, but if you guys have any doubt you want to ask me in Hindi, you can ask me. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. No problem.
All right, and I am expecting all of you guys to attend the live session till the end, because lots of new thing definitely you are going to learn today. All right.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, I am sure most of you guys know me. I am Abhishek Gupta, running a YouTube channel on. Sorry, I am running YouTube channel, right? And my channel name is Networking Plus. Earlier, my channel name was Learn Abhi. So let me share you the screen first. Share my screen, entire screen. Okay. So you guys are able to see my screen, right? Screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, it's
So
with you.
this is my YouTube channel by the name Networking Plus. Earlier my channel name was Learn Abhi, and recently in December 2023 we have crossed 1 lakh subscriber. And earlier the course that I am sharing with you guys, it was only in video format. Live classes was not available, but many of my students have requested me to start a live class. So I have decided, so let's start a live session so that you guys can ask me your doubts uh, live in the classes, right? Because many people find difficulties to understand the Cisco CCNA, but trust me, it is a very very easy concept. If you watch all the videos, if you are following all the instructions that I am going to give you in the class. Okay. So first of all, here I have one presentation. So give me a minute. Let me open on mobile phone. So first of all, let's understand what is CCNA. Okay, CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. Okay. Now, what is Cisco Certified Network Associate? See, this is a course for beginners. Okay, those who want to build their career in networking. Okay, this is the core of networking. In networking field, you guys have lots of papers available, or you can learn lots of many things. For example, there is a server, there is a cloud computing, there is a firewall, right? Lots of topics are available. So the base of the networking is CCNA. Without CCNA, if you learn these topics, means you may find very difficulties, because if you don't know the basics of networking, it will be very difficult for you to understand the further concept of networkings, right? So I believe everybody should do CCNA if you want to build your career in networking. The course that we are going to prepare, its examination code is 200301. This is the latest course from Cisco, and the course I have prepared for you guys is a job ready course. I mean to say, if you attend the full course, at the end of the class, definitely you are ready to participate in the job interviews, and I am definitely sure you can easily crack the interview, because I have designed the course in such a way that if you follow all the instruction, you will get job very easily. Okay, I am not going to give you any false promise 100% job guarantee, because I cannot give you job, right? At the end of the day, you have to go and attend the interview. But I can tell you one thing, that just follow all the instructions, whatever notes I am going to give you, and at the end of the day, definitely you are going to crack the interview very easily. Okay. Now there are lots of many things I am going to discuss with you guys. Why networking plus? Why you should enroll the course from me? We're going to discuss it later in the later. Okay. But first of all, let's focus on the basics of networking. I'm going to give you one simple class. You will learn the basic concepts of networking, and most of you guys may already knows this concept. But if you have any doubt at the mid of the class, you can ask me anytime. Okay. And the user watching this video on YouTube, you guys can ask your doubt in the comment section below. I will try to read all of the comment. Anurag, Engineer Pravan has joined. Thank you very much for joining. And those who want to attend the upcoming webinar, you guys can fill the form given in the description section below on our website. Okay, nice. So first thing is, what is IP address? Okay, let me share you the presentation slideshow from the beginning. All right. So first of all, let's understand what is IP address. Screen is visible to you guys, right?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, now many times I used to forget to share the screen. That's the reason I'm keep asking. Okay, if you have any problem, just let me know. So what is IP address? IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. It is a 32-bit address. Okay, it is a 32-bit logical address of a device in the network. In a network, you may find many devices. There can be a server, there can be a PC, right? There can be router, there can be a switch, there can be a printer, right? At home, right in your pocket, there is a smartphone, right? There is a smart TV, right? So any device you see, right? All of this device needs a unique address to communicate with each other. That address we called as IP address. Okay. Logical address means what? The address is not permanent. We are going to assign IP address on each devices so that they can communicate with each other in the network. But the address is not permanent. Means in future, if you want to change the address, definitely it is possible. You can change the address. Okay. So this is a very important, this is a basic part, right? So if you are a fresher and going to attend the interview, the first question they are going to ask you, like, this is the basic questions, what is IP address? So you must be able to answer. IP address is a 32-bit address, okay, that we are going to assign in the device available in the network. As simple as that. Now, on each device you see, right, whether it can be a computer or any device, even your smartphone, right? All the device also have a permanent address that you cannot change. Okay, all the device also have a permanent address that cannot be changed, and this address is called a MAC address. Okay, now as of now you might have understand what is IP address and what is MAC address. See, both are the address of a device available in a network, but IP address is a logical address that can be changed. It is not permanent, but MAC address is a permanent address of a device available in a network. Now the question is, if there is a permanent address available in a network, then what is the use of IP address? Why we are using IP address, right? See, MAC address of a device, it is very difficult to remember. Okay, MAC address you will see like this, 00CF, something like this. It's a big number. Okay, like this you can see. So it is a very difficult to remember, but at the same time IP address, it is very easy to remember, because we know how to calculate IP address, how to write IP addresses. Now let me show you. Here we have 5 classes of IP version 4 address. Okay, that is class A, B, C, D and E. And here are the ranges of IP address. Okay, class A IP address starts from 0 to 126. Okay, class B IP address class A IP address starts from 0 to 126, and its default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Next is class B IP address starts from 128 to 191, and its default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Class C IP address starts from 192 to 223 and its default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Here, these three classes you are able to see, A, B and C, we are going to use in the network. Class D and class E we are not going to use in the network. Class D IP address is reserved for the some multi, uh, what you say, for testing and reserve purpose, and you also call for multitasking and all. Okay, these two addresses are already reserved by IANA. Okay, this is a multicast address, we call it as a multicast address, and this is for testing purpose, it is reserved. So these two addresses we are not going to use in the network. We are only going to work with class A, B and C. Now if you have seen here, one IP address is missing. See, class A starts from 0 to 126 and class B starts from 128 to 191, right? In between 127 is missing. Okay, are you able to see? 127 IP address is missing. Now what is the use of this 127 IP address? Can you tell me why it is missing? Any idea? If you guys have watched my video, then definitely you must have idea. Anybody can answer?
Loop back address.
Yeah, very good. It is a loopback address. Okay, loopback address means what? See, loopback means it is going to reply itself. Okay, for example, in a network there are multiple devices, right? For example, there is a router, there is a switch. Now you have one computer here, correct? You did all the troubleshooting, but still this computer is unable to communicate with the network. There might be chances there is a problem with NIC card, right? It is a network interface card available in the computer. Now how to check whether this NIC card, there might be chances, right? NIC card is fault. So how to confirm whether there is a fault with the NIC card or not? On this case, just you can run the command call ping space 127.0.0.1. The NIC card will give you a reply. Okay, if you are going to get a reply, it means NIC card is working fine. If you are not getting any reply, means there is a fault with the NIC card. This is how you can easily troubleshoot a network. Okay, now I am going to ask you the questions from this, whatever you have learned as of now, and you all have to answer one by one. Okay, all right. Let me open the webinar. Where it is? All right, here it is. Now tell me, what is IP address? Amritpal, answer me. What is IP address?
IP address is a logical address.
Mm-hmm.
It is 32-bit for IPv4.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Susan, I want answer from you. Tell me, what is the ranges of class A IP address? Class A IP address starts from where to where? Susan, am I audible to you? Vikas Kumar has left. All right.
Hi,
Okay. Hi.
very fine. Ah,
Sami has raised a hand. All right.
That's from 0 to 126.
Yeah, very good. Class A starts from 0 to 126. Sami has raised hand. Sami, do you have any doubt or you want to speak?
Yes, I'm audible too.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Okay.
I'm saying
Susan,
it starts
your audio is
from
coming
0
little delay. Yeah, I got your answer. It's
to
fine.
126.
Yeah, yeah, I got your answer. Uh,
Hello?
yeah, I got your answer, Susan. Thank you. Sami, tell me the answer. Class B IP address starts from. Sami, you can unmute and answer. What is the ranges of class B IP address? Okay, Shashikaran, can you tell the answer? Correct answer? Sashikaran, am I audible? See, if you guys do not participate in the quiz and all, then as I told you, right? If you participate, then only like 128 to 191. Yeah, good. But try to speak because the time you go for an interview, right? You have to speak. They are not going to ask you in comment and all. Like this, you will build a confidence. As I told you, right? I have designed this course in such a way that you can easily crack the interview. So how you can crack the interview? When you communicate. So in the live classes only you can practice yourself what to answer, how to answer, and I will guide you whether you are correct or wrong. Right? All right. And class C IP address starts from, who is going to answer? Sami, Imami, tell me.
It starts from 9.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, see, I am going to repeat once again. Class A starts from 0 to 126. Class B starts from 128 to 191. Class C starts from 192 to 223. Okay. Now, if somebody asks you what is loopback address, you must be able to answer 127 is a loopback address. Sami, your audio is not coming. I think there is a network problem from your side.
Enter, okay?
Yeah, now it is okay.
I say if I make a YouTube account, can I business at YouTube?
What? I didn't get your
I
question.
say
Mm-hmm.
if I say if I make a YouTube account, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can I business at YouTube?
If you make a YouTube account, then definitely you can make a YouTube. But this class is not related to YouTube. This class is related to Cisco CCNA.
Okay, okay, thanks for you.
Yeah. Okay. So as of now, you have understand what is IP address, what are different classes of IP address, and what is loopback address. Let's go forward.
Uh, I what do you? Okay, okay. But
Sami, you can ask your doubt after
but
some time. Okay. Like let's start the class. You can easily complete
okay,
the
okay,
questions. Okay.
sir, okay.
Now see, these are the total number of IP version 4 address you are going to see. That is around 429 crore 49 lakhs 67,296. Okay, but this many IP address in real life not sufficient, right? Because the population is almost double than this number, right? So because of this reason, IANA has divided this number of IP address into two parts, that is called private IP and public IP. Okay. Now what is private IP, public IP? I will explain to you. But first of all, let's understand what are the ranges of private IP address. All right. So the IP address you are able to see here. These are the ranges of private IP address, where class A starts from 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255, and its subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0. At the same time, class B starts from 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. At the same time, class C starts from 192 to 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255, and their default subnet mask will be 255.255.0.0. So these are the ranges of private IP address, and whatever IP address are not available in this list are public IP address. Getting my point? This is a very important question. You can also take a note. If you go for interview, they may ask you what are the ranges of private IP address. So this you are able to see here. This is the ranges of private IP address, and whatever IP address not available in the list, all of them are public IP address. For example, here 1 to 9 is not available, right? All of them will be public IP address. Even at the same time 10, from 11 to 171 you see here, all of them are public IP address. Getting my point? Now, what is public IP address and what is private IP address? The private, for this, I think, 1 minute.
Can you explain how they are this subnetting, like the second one? I'm confusing with this.
This one you are telling?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yeah, see, entire range is not, you know, reserved for the class B IP address, okay? After doing subnetting, these are the ranges they have given to private IP addresses. Now, what is subnetting?
No,
You will understand in subnetting concept.
no. I'm just asking, like in the IP part, like 172.16.0.02, they have to either go for the 172.0.255.255 or 172.255.255. Why this 31?
See, private IP address reserved from this only. See, 172.16.0.02, 172.31.255.255. Only these ranges reserved for the private IP address. If it is 172.32, right? If it become 32, it will become public IP address. Got it? Only this range from here to here they have reserved for the private IP address. Clear? See, there is a shortage of IP address, right? Public IP address is not free. You have to pay for it, and you cannot use on multiple devices. Globally, one public IP address is reserved for only one user. Okay, but private IP address, what you can do? You can use it unlimited number of times on different network. Even 1000 users can also have the same private IP address on their network. Getting my point? That is the reason they have limit the number of IP address in private range. So if you look at the class A, right, from 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.2, this is a huge number, okay? And same IP address can be assigned multiple times on different network. For example, this is network number A. For example, this is my network, this is your network, this is network number 3, and in my computer I have assigned 10.0.0.1. Even you can also assign the same IP address on your device. Even C also you can assign the same IP in this. This is called private network. Okay, these are the private, but at the same time, if you look at the public IP address, right, that public IP address you cannot assign on multiple devices. Private IP address means we are going to assign in the private network. Is it clear, or you have doubt and you can ask me? And those who are watching the live session on YouTube, you guys also comment. I will try to help you. Aero in dry मेरे भाई बहुत दिन के बाद. How are you? Okay. Now there are certain differences. Let me go and clear you, right? As I have told you, there is a limitation of IP address. So they have divided the IP address in two parts. One is called public IP and one is called private IP. So these are the ranges of private IP address you are able to see here. Rest of the IP address what are available, all of them are public IP address. Now for example, here I have, for example, here I have 100 computers. Okay, this is my network. I have 100 computers. Okay. Okay, and for accessing internet, right? As I have told you, public IP you have to pay for it. Public IP is not free. You have to pay for it. Okay, you have to pay for it, and public IP is required to access the internet. Okay, so for example, here I have 100 computers in this network, and all of them want to access the internet, right? So are you going to purchase 100 IP address? No, right? It is going to become very costly. So instead of this, what you are going to do, you are going to purchase only one IP address that you are going to configure in the router. Okay, IP address you can purchase from the ISP, and usually in our home network we are not going to purchase any IP address. ISP are going to take care of everything, but in a big organization where you can see servers and all, they are going to purchase IP address so that their server can be accessible from anywhere. Okay, so what is going to happen is all of these 100 computers are going to assigned with a private IP address such as 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0.2, 3 till 100, for example. Okay, now in NAT there is a technology called a network address translation, NAT. In router you can configure NAT. Its main work is it is going to convert private IP to public, okay, and public IP to private. Now how to configure NAT you will learn in the complete CCNA course later. Okay, this is just beginning. I'm sharing with you the theory part. So what is going to happen is, for example, this 10.0.0.1 computer want to access the internet. Okay, the request will go to the router. Now this router will convert this private IP into public and forward it to the internet, right? In internet there is a server, for example google.com, right? Now this google.com is going to receive the request. Now again it is going to send the answer to the internet, to the router, right? Now this router is going to convert this public IP address back to private IP address and going to forward it to this computer, and this computer can access the data from the search result. Till now is it clear, or if you have doubt you can ask me. Clear? Clear means say clear, doubt means say doubt. Amritpal, Sashikaran, Suzanne, is it clear?
Yeah, clear, Brahmash.
Okay,
It's clear, sir.
okay. Okay. The screen is visible to you guys, right? Or have I stopped sharing screen? Okay. Now again there are two versions of IP address. Okay. Now later what is happening is, see, there are multiple devices available at home, right? For example, at your family there are 5 members, so all the 5 members are going to have one smartphone, correct? There is a smart TV also, there is a computer also, there is a laptop also, right? So all of these devices need a IP address. So whatever IP address available, it is not enough for all the devices. That is also one reason it is divided into two parts, that is private IP and public IP. Okay. Now at the time IP version 4 was made, it is long back, right? So INA was thought that this many IP addresses is enough. We don't need any more IP addresses. But later, nowadays entire world is connected to each other, and this many IP address is also not going to sufficient in future. So they have made one more version of IP address, that is called IP version 6. So there are two versions of IP address, IP version 4 and the IP version 6. Okay, IP version 4 is a 32-bit address. At the same time IP version 6 is 128-bit address, right? So here if you do 2 to the power 32, you are going to this result. Just imagine if you do 2 to the power 128, how much? The result is huge. Okay, that is more than enough. Now what is IP version 6 address? How to configure IP version 6 address? Later you will understand in the complete course. Let's go forward. And now let's have a quick look on the networking devices. Okay, what is hub? See, in network there are multiple devices available, such as you can see router, you can see a switch, right? There is a hub, there is a firewall, right? There is a server. There are many devices available, but in CCNA we are going to cover these three devices: hub, switch and router. Hub is also no one is using, but basically you will understand how to configure this router, how to configure this switch. Okay, it's not like this is a small topic, the topic is huge, lots of many things you are going to configure here. Now first of all, let's have a look on this simple device called hub. What is hub? Hub is a broadcast device. See, whatever notes I am giving to you, just take a note. These are very important. I am telling you, if you are a fresher, if you are going to attend the interview, they are going to ask you these basics questions only. If you don't know the basics, then definitely you cannot crack the interview. Alright. Now hub is a broadcast device. Broadcast means whenever you send a data, for example this is your computer and here I have multiple computer connected, correct? What is going to happen here? This is a hub. So whenever computer number 1 send data to computer number 2, the data will be broadcasted to all the devices every time. Getting my point? So simply it is creating lots of traffic. That's the reason we called it as a broadcast device. Broadcast means sending data to all the devices available in the network. Next thing is here hub do not store any MAC address. Okay, do not store MAC address and IP address. Okay, it do not store any type of address in its table. That's the reason it keep broadcasting every time. Okay, hub has a few ports, around 4 to 8 ports you can see in hub. One more thing, hub works in half duplex. Half duplex means what? It means only one device can send data. For example, this is my computer. If I am sending data, the other computer is going to wait. If I am sending data, he is sending data, means what is going to data collision is going to happen, means whatever data is there, it is going to burn, mean dismiss, right? In a network we are going to having lots of data, right? Do you think I will tell you, hey, I am sending you data, just wait for it? No one is going to wait, right? I am sending data, this computer also sending data, then what is going to happen? The data will be damaged, means collision is going to happen. This is the biggest disadvantage of hub. So from overcoming this problem, a new device has been created, that is called switch. Now what is switch? Switch is a multicast device, and unlike hub you can see there are many ports available. You may see around 24 to 48 ports on a switch. Now here this is a switch, here one computer is connected, right? And in this computer, in this switch multiple computers are connected, right? So as I have told you, hub is a broadcast device. Same like that, switch is a multicast device, means sending data one to many. If I want, I can send data to only computer number 1, data will reach only to computer number 1, not to other PCs. If I want to send computer number 2 and 3 at the same time, data will reach to computer number 2 and 3 at the same time. Getting my point? It is not going to broadcast all the time. So here you have understand switch is a multicast device. I am expecting you guys are taking note, because after this session again I am going to ask you the questions and expecting answers from all of you guys. Okay. So hub is a multicast device. Hub works in full duplex mode. Full duplex means it can send and receive data at the same time. For example, if PC number 1 is sending data, at the same time PC number 4 can also send data at the same time. Even PC number 3 also can send data at the same time. It is not like that if I am sending data, other person sending data collision will happen. Here collision is not going to happen. Okay. PC number 1 can send data, 2, 3, 4, all the devices can send data at the same time. Now third part is switch stores MAC address on its MAC address table. What is MAC address table? As I have told you, MAC address is a permanent address of a device available in a network. So all of these computers you are able to see here, they have permanent address, and their permanent address is going to stored on the switch MAC address table. That's the reason switch is able to send the data directly to the computer to which you are requesting for. Clear? If you have any doubt related to switch, just let me know. Clear means just say clear, or doubt means say you have doubt. Naveen is coming. Good evening, sir. Your microphone volume is extremely low. Most locally, your voice is not available. Yes, I understand because there is lots of noise going on in the background. That's the reason I have reduced the volume. I am increasing. Is it okay now? Just let me know in the comment section below. Is it okay? And if there is a noise in the background, just ignore it. Okay. Thank you for your feedback. And guys, I am asking to you, is it clear? Or if you have doubt, you can tell me. If you do not answer, then how I
It's
will
clear, sir.
Yeah, try to answer first, right? Or else I am getting confused. Okay. Now let's move on to the next device, that is called a router. Okay. Router is a device that allows you to communicate between two or more network. Okay, simple. What is router? Router is a device that allows you to communicate between two or more network. For example, here I have one switch and here is a computer, right? This is one network, and here is a switch and here I have computer. For example, this is assigned with 10.0.0.0/8. This is assigned with 20.0.0.0/8. Okay. Now, if you want to communicate between these two devices, these two network, is it possible to communicate? They cannot communicate with each other. If you want to allow them to communicate with each other, you need a device called a router. If you put a router at the center, means both the network can communicate with each other. This is the main work of router. If you are going for an interview, they will ask you what is router, you must be able to answer. Router is a device that allows you to communicate between two or more different networks. Okay. As I have told you, like switch, even router also works in full duplex, means multiple devices can send data at the same time. It is a full duplex. Now, unlike switch, right, as I have told you, switch stores IP address, right? It stores IP address at the same, sorry, 1 minute. As I have told you, switch stores MAC address, correct? Same like this, router is a device that stores IP address. Clear? Or if you have doubt, you can ask me. Clear means I am going to ask you the questions, and after this session I am also going to show you the practical, like how hub, switch and work really work. Nasim Kadir is telling perfect. Okay, thank you very much for your feedback.
It's clear.
Clear, right? Okay. Now it's a Q&A time. Okay, let me ask you the questions. Let's see who is going to answer. Okay. Amrit Pal, just tell me one differences between hub, switch and router.
How is a broadcasting and router work on the MAC address.
MAC address, are you sure?
This just a minute.
Take your time, relax, just tell answer. Try to give the correct answer. Take your time.
Router work on the table address. It stores the MAC address as a table format. Correct?
No, incorrect. Okay, I will correct your answer, no problem. Susan, just tell me one difference between hub, switch and router.
A hub does broadcasting within a network, but a router helps in the communication of different networks.
Mm-hmm. What
Then the
else?
other thing, a router uses IP
Mm-hmm.
addressing,
Mm-hmm.
while the hub doesn't use any IP. For it, it just
What
broadcasts.
what about switch? What about switch?
Then a switch is it does multicast. It's a multicast device,
Mm-hmm.
but for it, it stores the MAC address.
Yeah, very good. Big clap for Sujan. He's done this. He has done the great job. Okay, good. And let's now it's time for Sashikaran. Just tell me one differences between hub switch and router. You cannot repeat the same answer. Just tell something other.
Okay. Hub does not store MAC and IP address.
Mm-hmm.
Switch stores MAC address.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Router stores IP address.
Okay. Next, any other you want to add more?
And hub works on off duplex.
Good.
Switch and routers works on full duplex.
All right, good. Now there are a few more differences I am going to share with you now. Okay, see, this is a very important question. If you are a fresher, definitely they are going to ask you in the interview. Okay, as I have told you, I have prepared the course in such a way that you are going to crack the interview very easily. That's the reason. Oh, after every topic, I am keep asking questions. Okay, same thing also happening in the complete course as well. Now, just give me a minute. And here I have noted down few more difference between hub, switch and router. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Okay, now see, hub works in physical layer of OSI model, switch works in data link layer of OSI model, and router works in network layer of OSI model. Hub is a broadcast device, switch is a multicast device, and a router is a routing device that is used to create route between two or more different network. Okay, you can explain the answer on your way, right? The interviewer is just want to know whether you have the proper understanding. It should not like that whatever you have learned and you just repeat the same sentence, not like that. If you do like that, means definitely you are going to forget everything, right? Just understand the concept and explain it in your way. Next is, hub is used to connect devices in the same network. Means if you have one network, so right, and all the devices you want to connect, right? So in single network only you can use the hub. Same like this, switch also is used to connect devices in the same network. At the same time, router is a device that is used to connect two or more different network. Hub works on half duplex, switch works in full duplex, router works in full duplex. In hub, only one device can send data at a time. That is, as I told you, it is a hub duplex. In switch, multiple devices can send data at a time because it works in full duplex. Same even in router, multiple devices can send data at the same time because it also works in full duplex. Hub does not stores any MAC address or IP address. Switch stores MAC address and router stores IP address. Clear? Have you taken the screenshot or shall I exit this?
Clear.
All right, fine, good. Does switch broadcast? Yes, switch also broadcast, but only one time. I am going to show you the live practical now. Don't worry, okay? Because I believe without practical, you cannot understand the concept easily, right? So don't worry, practical is also there. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me in the comment section below. I will just try to answer your questions. Iswar has joined. Okay, welcome Iswar. But you are late. Why? Where are you from? Long time.
Thank you, sir. My network
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. आवाज़ clear नहीं आ रहा आपका शायद. There might be a network problem. Okay, not a problem. Let's do the practical. Now it's time to do the practical. Are you guys excited? Just give me one in the chat. Those who are excited, just type one in the chat. Are you guys ready for do the live practical? Give me one in the chat. Okay, only one. Amritpal only give. Okay, Sasikaran also. Okay, nice. Let's start. Okay. See, for doing practical in CCNA, we use an application called Packet Tracer. First of all, let me share with you the screen, entire screen. Okay, so whatever we have discussed as of now we are going to see everything in a practical. Okay, so this is the application called Cisco Packet Tracer. It's the official application from Cisco, and all the practicals we are going to learn in this particular one application only. This is a very good applications. Okay, so first of all, see here you can see all the devices, router, switch, hub, everything is there. Okay, so let's start with hub. Here I have taken one hub, and let's take 1 2 3 4 5 computers. Okay, all right, and I'm going to connect all the devices with each other. 1 2 3 and 4. This 5 is not required. Let remove it from here. Okay, so here we have 5 computers. Now what is going to happen is, for example, I want to send data. Okay, let me turn on the simulation mode. I want to send data from this computer to this computer. Okay, let's see what is going to happen. PC0 has, okay, wait 1 minute. First of all, we have to assign the IP address to all the computers. Okay, so let's go to here, desktop IP configuration, 10.0.0.1. okay, it has taken the subnet mask automatically. That's the default subnet mask of class A IP address. Copy. To 3 4 and here we have 5. Okay, done. Now let's see the live practical. So for example, I am sending data right from this computer to this computer. Let's see what is going to happen. Next, data has been enriched to the hub. Now if I can click on next, see all the devices are going to receive the data. Are you able to see? See, if I look for the reply, right, see here, other devices are not 10.0.0.2, so all of them are going to reject the data. Only this computer has received the data because this is the correct address. Now it is going to send the reply. The reply has been enriched to hub, but again it will broadcast to all the devices available in the network. Are you able to see? It is going to happen every time you send the data. Let's see once again. Again from here to here I want to send the data. Click on next. Next, see, again it has broadcast, and the same process is going to happen every time the hub will send the data, right? It is going to broadcast every time. That's the reason we called hub is a broadcast device. Next thing what I have told you, only one device can send data at a time. If two devices send data at a time, what is going to happen? Collision is going to happen. Let's see. For example, I am sending data from PC number this to PC number this, right? At the same time, I also want to send data from this computer to this computer. Okay, now let's see what is going to happen. Next, see, collision happened, means data has been destroyed, burned, right? Data has been destroyed completely. Now again, hub is going to broadcast to all the devices, but none of the device can receive any data because data has been destroyed. Clear? Clear means say clear.
Clear.
All
Clear.
right. Okay. So this is the function of hub, and I have shown you it's a broadcast device and how data collision is going to happen here. Now, okay, you have understand what is hub and how it works. Now let's have a look on switch. Okay, this is a switch. Same like this. I am going to copy these computers. Okay, so that we no need to assign the IP address again and again. Okay, copy paste and connect all the computers together, this to this and this to this. Okay, see, if I am running the command on switch, right, this is a command to check MAC address, show MAC address table. As of now, there is no MAC address available. Are you able to see? The table is empty. Now, let's go to simulation mode, and I am going to send data from this computer to this computer. Okay, next. Data has been broadcasted to all the computers. Now you may think I have told you switch is a multicast device, then why it is broadcasting the data to all the devices, right? See, for the first time, whenever a computer try to send data, it will broadcast. Broadcast in the sense, right now switch don't know out of this all computers who is 10.0.0.2, okay, which computer MAC address is 10.0.0.2. For this reason, switch has broadcast the data to all the computers. Now here you can see other computers have rejected. They are telling I am not 10.0.0.2. This computer is telling I am 10.0.0.2, right? Only this computer is going to send a reply. Here we can see if I click on next, and this time the reply will reach only to PC number 1. Success. Okay, now let's delete from here. Let's go to switch again, and here I am going to run the same command. Earlier, see, there was no MAC address. Now let's run the same command, show MAC address table, hit enter. See, 2 MAC address has been stored. Are you able to see? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a port number 1 and 2. So this port means this computer MAC address it has stored, plus this computer MAC address also it has been stored. Now next time if the switch try to send data, it will not broadcast. Let me show you the live example. From here to here, click on next. See, it is directly reaching to the computer. Why? Because now switch knows very well out of these 4 computers who is 10.0.0.2. Clear? Clear means say clear.
Yes, it's clear.
All right. Now next question is, now tell me, if I want to send data from this computer to this computer, what is going to happen? Is it going to broadcast, or what is going to happen? Or data will reach to PC number 2 only? Any idea? Oh, Mohidini has joined. Hey, welcome Mohidini. Joseph also came. Okay, nice. Tell me what is going to happen. Susan, any idea?
Bluetooth mode.
Anybody watching from YouTube, any answer? What is going to happen next? Switch, what is going to happen now? Tell me. Susan, am I audible to you? Try to answer. I think you can answer.
My network had gotten a problem.
Okay, okay, got it.
Not,
So what is going to happen now? Tell me.
what
Switch.
is the question?
I'm asking now. This computer want to send data to this computer. What will happen? It will reach directly or it will broadcast? That was I'm asking.
It will broadcast.
Why?
It will broadcast because then a switch is a multicast.
No, first time it has already broadcasted now. First time. Hub broadcast every time, right? Switch already broadcast for the first time. Now again,
Yes,
I am
every time.
yeah, I am sending it up from this computer to this. So is it going to broadcast or data will directly reach to this computer? That's what I'm asking.
Then if that is the case, it will reach to the very computer.
No. Okay, let me show you the live example.
It
It
will
will
reach directly.
no. See, as of now, if you look at this switch MAC address table, it has understand the MAC address of only these two computers only. Okay, only this means only these two computer data has been passed through the switch. That's the reason if you click on next, it will broadcast again to all the computers. Okay, this time you can see all the other computers have rejected. This computer is telling okay, I am 10.0.0.3 and this computer is going to send a reply to the switch. If I click on next, now again let's click on next, done, right? Now if this computer again send a data to this computer number 2, it will reach directly because this time the switch know who is 10.0.0.3. Next and next. See, got it?
Yes, got it.
Yeah, if we again go to the switch and run the same command, show MAC address table, it will show 3 MAC address this time. See, 3 MAC address has been stored. Got it? But again you can see these 2 MAC address has not yet been restored, right? Because as of now data communication is not yet happened. So first of all, see, this here is a very basic question. The first message whenever a computer send, right, it is always called a ARP. What is called? ARP message it's called. Okay, ARP stands for address resolution protocol and this protocol works under ICMP protocol. This is a very important. Last time one of my student has joined the class and the same question was asked in the interview, but he was unable to answer. So he was asking same thing like what was ARP, right? So here you can see what is ARP. ARP stands for address resolution protocol. It allows you, or you can say it used to identify the MAC address of a device with the help of a IP address, or you can say ARP message. ARP stands for address resolution protocol. It used to map IP address and a MAC address. That's the correct answer. Okay, what is happening? See, I know the IP address, correct? My computer know the IP address. This computer know the IP address, but I don't know the MAC address. So what is happening? With the help of IP address, we are finding the MAC address. That is the main concept of ARP. That is called address resolution protocol. Now as you have seen, switch is a multicast device because we are sending data to direct to that PC and data is reaching only to that particular one PC. As of now, clear?
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me. What question you have?
Yeah, my question is, I thought because you told us that a switch operates at the data link layer,
Mm-hmm.
and at the data link layer there are only MAC addresses.
Mm-hmm.
There are no IP addresses.
Mm-hmm.
So if you tell me that the protocol operating at a switch
Mm-hmm.
is an ARP, and you're saying it helps us to identify a MAC address
Mm-hmm.
for an IP,
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm lost there.
Now see, first of all, see, this computer knows IP address, correct? This is a logical address, right? We cannot, it is not possible for us to remember the MAC address. Okay, first of all, let me show you here. If you put the cursor here, will it show the MAC address? Let's see. 1 minute. Okay, okay. For example, this computer, this is the next computer. Okay, as of now, switch has not understand what is the MAC address of this computer. Okay, so if you look at the packet, right, what is available here, what is going to happen? It says ICMP message, that stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. With the help of this protocol, ARP message has been generated. Okay, let's see what is this. It says ARP. Are you able to see? ARP. Right now, I know what is the destination IP address, right? This is my IP address. This is destination IP address 10.0.04,
Yeah.
right? So in a network, always remember, if the switch, as I have told you, switch is a layer 2 device, right? It understands only MAC address. With IP address, this device cannot communicate. Okay, so what is going to happen now? If I click on next, right, let's check the message again, see what is done. Here it's telling the destination, again IP address and the MAC address. Okay, and here you can see, even here we have broadcast. Now what is broadcast address, you will learn later in the course. FFFFF, broadcast means one to all. Okay, broadcast means, as I have told you, one to many. One to, so whenever a device send a broadcast message, means it will send to this particular one MAC address called FFFFF. Even here also you can see the same thing, FFFFF. Okay, okay, next.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, the FFF is what? For what? It's for forward to forward.
It's a broadcast address. Broadcast means one to
The
many.
FFF.
Okay, let me explain you. Okay, for example,
Okay.
this is my computer. Okay, and here I have 3 computers, for example, right? Without MAC address, we cannot
Yeah.
communicate. Okay, for example, if you want to send a parcel to someone, that user's permanent address is compulsory, right? Without permanent address, can you communicate? You cannot communicate, right? So we need a permanent address.
Yes.
So first of all, I have the logical address. Okay, just to find which is the permanent address. Getting my point? Logical address means IP address. I have the IP address, right? So with the help of this IP address, we are going to find the permanent address. So how to find the permanent address? So for finding that, it is going to send a broadcast message. Even in IP address also there is a broadcast address also available. You will learn in the subnetting part. But in MAC address also there is a broadcast address that will always FFFF only. Every time the computer broadcast, it will go via this only, FFFF only. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will show you the live practical also, don't worry, it is going to be very interesting. This is what I believe. Okay, so data has been reached to this computer. Now again, if I click on next, data has been reached to switch, and again it will reach to the computer number 1. Okay, now let's see the magic. Now this switch has understand out of these computers who is 10.0.0.4. See, earlier there was only 3 MAC address. Now again, if I run the command show MAC address table, it will show 4 MAC address table. Means it has understand the MAC address of 4 computers. Okay. Now I am going to show you one more thing. Delete it. Now again I am sending this message from this computer to same computer. Okay, this time switch know what is the MAC address of this device. Even this computer also know, because computer is also going to store the MAC address. Now if I click on this message, see earlier there was two message, right? Now if I click here, see here it has the message, right? Source IP address and the destination IP address. Let's click on next. Data has been reached to the switch. Okay, if I click here again, what is going to happen? See, this time switch know who is this device. It is adding the MAC address of the destination. Getting my point? Earlier it was FFFFF. Now it is showing the MAC address, source MAC address and the destination MAC address. Why? Because it has stored the MAC address of this device in its MAC address table. Clear now? If you have doubt, you can ask me. I will try to help you.
It's clear.
Okay. Now next. Simple.
It's clear now.
Yeah. So this is how a switch works, right? So as I have shown you in hub, two devices cannot send data at the same time. It is going to become a collision in hub, right? Let's do the practical in switch. What is going to happen? So from computer number 1 to 2 I am sending. At the same time I am also sending from this computer to this computer. Okay, let's see what is going to happen next. See, data is not burning, right? Because we can send data at the same time. Clear? Now see, again this data has been broadcasted. Why? Can you tell me? Anybody can answer why it has broadcasted?
It has broadcasted because it's trying to identify the MAC addresses of the
Very good.
computers.
Yeah, as of now this computer haven't communicated with this device, right? So this computer don't have the MAC address, so it has broadcast the data. Now once it is getting reply, means definitely it is going to have the MAC address. Now in computer also you can see the MAC address table. How? Let me show you. If you go to the command prompt, just type the command ARP space -A, hit enter. See, it is telling the MAC address of the device destination. See, getting my point? 10.0.0.2 computer MAC address is this one. 10.0.0.3 MAC address is this one.
Yes.
10.04 is this one. Got it? With the help of what? ARP. ARP means address resolution protocol that works with ICMP protocol. Clear as of now? Shall we go forward?
Yes.
Clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I am going to do is, let's copy all of this network and I am going to paste it again. Okay. Real time. Okay. And this time I am going to assign the IP address from different network, that is called 20 network. Okay, it's becoming 20.0.0.0 network. Desktop IP configuration 20. And 20. Am I going slow, guys? Just I need your feedback. Or speed is okay, or you want more speed? The class is fine, or am I going slow?
It's okay.
The class
okay.
is fine. Is fine.
Okay. Now see, I have two networks. Okay, how it is becoming two networks? See, if this computer also having the same IP address, for example 10.0.0.6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then it will be same IP, same network. Okay, network we can divide with the help of IP address only. Okay, so for example, if a computer assigned with the class A IP address, that is 0, for example, here 126, right? So if first number is this one, for example, if the first number is 10.0.0.1, right? Even on another network, we are going to start the IP address from 10 only, 10.0.0.0.10. Then both the network will belong to the same network only. Both the network will be same. Always remember. If the first number is changed in class A, right? If it is becoming 11 here, means this will become a different network. Again, if some other network having 12
Different
means
network.
all of them are going to different network. In class A, you have to look at the first octet. Okay. If same it is happening with the class B IP address, on that case, the two octet must be same. These two number must be same. For example, 172.168.10.0, for example, and this network is also having 172.168. any number, right? So both the network will be same. If you change any number, either if you make it 169 here, right, it will become a different network. Clear as of now? You will understand more in the subnetting part, don't worry.
Clear.
Okay. Now I am going to connect a cable between these two devices from here to here. Okay. Let's see. Just wait to make it green. Pick pen. I pick. All right. Now let's see what is happening. Okay. Now if I want to send data, right, let's make it simulation mode, from here to here, right, from I am sending data from one network to another network. Let's see what is going to happen. Next. It is broadcasting, right? Broadcasting is done. Next. See, no one is going to receive the packet. Getting my point? Everyone is rejecting. Why? Because this is completely different network. All right. Now, as I have told you, to communicate between two different network, what device we need? Tell me. Which device is required to communicate between two networks? Tell me. Who is going to answer?
Router.
Router. We need a router. So from here,
We need a router.
yes. So let's take one router from here. Okay. And let's connect from this to this and from this to this. Okay. Now see, switch, no need to configure anything. Okay. If you were like, if you are preparing a normal network, no need to configure. It will communicate with devices automatically. Okay. But in case of router, we have to configure it manually and we have to assign the IP address here. Okay. Now how to assign IP address, everything I will explain, but this is a first topic, right? Just I am explaining you the concept, how devices are working. So I will configure it just to show you the live example. So again, here's the CLI mode, type the no. Okay. I am just configuring. I will not explain how I am configured, don't worry. In course you will learn. Now first of all, I am going to select the port of the router. Now in the port, I am going to assign the IP address. Okay. So this network belong to 10.0.0.0 network. So IP address will be 10.0.0.1. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Hit enter. Again, you have to run the command no shutdown. By default, router port is off. To enable it, run the command no shutdown. Okay. See, the port is up now. Okay. Same like this. I am going to choose the second port. This is the second port, and here I am going to assign the IP address 20.0.0.1. Run the command no shutdown. The port is up now. Okay. All right. Delete. Now just wait for some time. It is understanding. So let it be green, and after we can continue. time. All right. Now see the magic. If I send data from this computer to this computer, let's see what is going to happen. Real time. Delete. From here to here I am sending, okay. Click on next. It is not happening. Why? Because we have not yet added the gateway, okay. In all the computers we have to get a add a gateway. Gateway means what? Gateway means the exit point, okay. For example, from here to here, whatever you are able to see, right, this entire thing is belongs to one network, right, from here, right, till here it is one network. Now what is the exit point? Tell me. Whatever devices send a data, right, it will be in the same network. If they want to exit from this network, this port will be the exit point, correct? Same like this is the one network, correct? From here to here it is one network. If any of this computer try to send data to another network, what will be the exit point? This point is the exit point, right? So the IP address we have assigned to this port is going to be gateway for all of these devices. Now let's assign the gateway. So let's open the computer from here. IP address. In this port we have assigned the IP address as what? 10 dot. Okay, now again one problem is going to happen. We have to change the IP address, okay. The same IP address cannot be done. Okay, this IP address I will make it, for example, let's make it 10. Okay, all right. Why it is in simulation mode? Real time. And let's make the gateway as 10.0.0.1. Okay, copy. Desktop IP configuration, done. Desktop IP configuration, done. Here also done, and here also it is done. Okay. Now same like this, in this network the gateway will be what? 10.20.0.0.1, right? Here we have assigned 20.0.0.1 IP address in this port. So all of this computer default gateway will be 20.0.0.1. Let's assign in all the computers. IP configuration, done, and it is done. All right. Now let's see whether it is able to communicate or not. I'm going to turn on the simulation mode. Let's take a packet from here. Let's send from here to here. Next. 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 It has broadcasted, because as of now we don't know the MAC address, right? Next. Okay. Next. Have we done any mistake while configuring? Can you tell me? 10.0.0.1, fine. 20.0.0.1, fine. Command prompt ping 20.0.0. What is the IP address of this computer? 2. All right. See, in real network, what is going to happen? We are not going to send it packet from here to here. Okay. In real network, we use a command called ping. Okay. Let's go to command prompt. If you run the command 20.0.0.2 and hit enter. If you get a reply, means everything is fine. If you do not get a reply, means there is a problem. Let's make it real time. So first message will be always request timeout, next you will get a reply. Request timeout means what? ARP will be done, right? That's a only first time you will get request timeout. Next time if you ping means you will get a continuous reply. Same like this, if you ping another device, for example, let's ping 20.0.0.10, right? Let's hit enter. First time you will get a request timeout, and now it is going to give you a reply. So is it clear, guys? Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Clear means say clear, doubt means say doubt.
It's
Clear.
Clear, right? All right, nice. So this is the practical for today. Okay, so you have learned what is IP address, what are the different networking device, how the networking device works, what is ARP, and lots of many things. I hope you guys have prepared all notes. Okay, and few of guys have already joined my previous webinar, and few of guys are new. So those who are new here, let me explain you about the complete course that is going to start from the coming Monday. Okay, from this Monday I am going to start a new batch, and it is actually Sunday batch. So one batch is already going on, around 4 classes are done. So all of that backup I am going to cover from Monday to Friday. You guys can attend at the same time, and after that you can join on every Sunday. Same like this, right? Whatever I am explaining to you guys, all the concept I am going to explain in the live classes. And same like this, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your doubt. Already many people have joined, so I'm expecting you guys also join, so that I will be happy to teach you guys. Okay, this is, I love to teach CCNA. And now let me show you my presentation. Just give me a minute. So as I have explained to you guys in the beginning, recently we have crossed 1 lakh subscribers on YouTube. It took more than 8 years to reach this milestone, but not a problem. We did it, right? I have already explained you what is CCNA examination code, and it is a job ready course, as I am trying to clear all of your doubts. Next, why networking plus, right? There are many institutes available in the market. Why you should take the course
Mainly
from
their
us?
own
Okay, why networking plus?
network.
Okay, now see here I have made a side by side comparison. You guys can turn off your mic. If you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself. Okay. All right, so here you can see 1 minute, whose mic is on right now, please turn it off.
Mm.
Suzanne, your mic is on. I'm muting you.
Sorry.
Okay. See, my course is available in 2 different languages, that is in English and Hindi. So those who are from India, it is extra beneficial for them. Like they can watch all the videos in Hindi as well. Now next is, most of the students find it very difficult to learn CCNA, but I believe CCNA is very easy. I am teaching CCNA from more than 8 years, and you have already did a live webinar with me tonight, right? So how is the session? Tell me, is it easy to understand or you have found difficult to understand? Just I need your feedback. You can unmute and answer. Have you found it easy to understand or you found it difficult?
It is easy to understand.
Easy, right? So this is how the entire course I have designed in such a way that even a very beginner can understand the concept of CCNA. It is very easy. If you take course from any other institute, you will not get any lab access. Lab access means whatever practical we have did today, right? In CCN, like, we're going to create lots of practicals, right? So all the lab I am going to give you so that you can practice at your home. Next is, no one is going to provide you the notes and commands. So whatever command, for example, I have shown you how to assign the IP address, right? But while preparing a big lab, we're going to run lots of commands and all. Easy only, don't think it's hard. It will be easy. I will explain everything. But I am going to give you the notes of all the commands that we are going to configure in network, so that you can easily take a look on the notes and practice at your home. No one is going to provide you the quiz. Here I am going to provide you a networking quiz for which you can easily prepare for your CCNA exam. Plus it will also help you to prepare for the interview. This is the upcoming feature, because earlier my quiz was available on my website, but plugin got expired, so I have to prepare everything. It's the upcoming feature. I am not doing any false promise, but you will get it very, very soon. You will not get any certificate if you do any online courses, but here I am also going to give you the course complete certificate. At the end of the course, I am going to take an exam. You have to pass the exam, then only you will get this certification. If you take CCNA course from any other institute, they are going to give you a limited time access, most of the time 3 months only, not more than that. But here I am giving you lifetime access. You learn CCNA today. If you want to watch the video after 1 year, definitely you can watch the video after 1 year also. It will be available for lifetime. If you have visited any institute, you have seen that they are promising you 100% job guarantee, right? I believe it's an absolutely false promise. No one can give you 100% job guarantee, because institutes are not giving you a job, right? At the end of the day, you have to go and crack the interview, right? So I can promise you one thing, that I will teach you everything in the best possible way, and I will prepare for the interview. And if you follow all the instructions, definitely you can crack the interview, because I am giving you all the questions in each classes. Now here, if you take course from any other institute, they are not going to give you any money back guarantee. I am giving you 7 days money back guarantee. If you just enroll the course, if you are not happy, your full amount will be refunded and no questions will be asked. As of now, nobody has asked for the refund, because everybody has loved our course. Let's click on next. Let me give you a quick course overview, okay, how our course is going to look. For this, just I am going to stop sharing my screen for a few seconds. Just give me a minute. Same like on YouTube. All right, okay. Okay, start sharing screen. I am happy that you guys are available from beginning till the end. This is what I expect, because most time many people join the webinar but they do not stay till the end. It means I am doing my best. Okay, now see, once you enroll the course, you will get the course access in 2 languages, that is English and Hindi. The best part about our course is you can watch the live classes. Screen is visible to you? Just tell me, screen is visible to you guys or not? I think visible, right? Yeah, it is visible.
Visible.
Yeah. So the best part about our course is I am giving you access for the videos, right? Whatever practical we are going to learn, right? Why we did lots of practical, like basics of IP address, here it is there. OSI model will be there. Hub, switch and router, how devices are going to work. Everything live video will also be there, so that whenever you feel doubt, you can just watch this video. And this video access will be available for lifetime. How to configure telnet, how to configure routing, default routing, broadcast and collision avoidance, VLAN. See, here we have multiple topics available, right? So you are going to get a recorded video of everything. Plus, whatever live classes we're going to do, here you can see CCNA live class, right? Whatever live classes we're going to do, here you will get a record video of that also. Okay, you will get the access once you attend the live class. Now here we have also Q&A where user can submit their doubts. Okay, I am going to give you homework if you submit your doubts, and I am going to reply you on the every Sunday live classes. So this is how our entire course is going to look like. Okay, you will get access from the day one for the entire course. What next? And we have made recent changes from the previous batches. So here we are also giving you 3 months live class which covers all the concept of CCNA, like whatever classes you are doing, right? So all the topic I am going to cover in 3 months, and you can attend the live classes, and the recorded video you are able to see. For that, access will be for the lifetime. Next is quiz is going to come very soon. It is coming soon. Bonuses, free network fundamental course. In networking there are lots of basic concepts also available. So I am preparing a absolutely new course also, where you will learn how to share files. This is not a part of CCNA, but I am giving you this course absolutely free of cost. It is also coming very soon. Next is 30% off on all upcoming courses. Whatever courses you will see in upcoming days, you will get 30% off if you enroll today. Lifetime access I am going to give you. Free lab access I am giving you. Join our Networking Plus community to share knowledges. I am going to give you access to our community where you guys can ask your doubts with each other, and I am also going to help you while for clearing the doubts. 7 days money back guarantee I have already explained you. One more surprise is also available, from which you can start earning from the day one itself. How? It will be available only for the student who have already enrolled the course. Okay, now we always welcome your suggestion, whatever you give feedback, because with your suggestion only we can improve ourselves. Now next thing is, what is the course fees, right? Actual our course fees is around $300. Okay, and I am giving you one coupon code, that is CCNA of 30, via which you are getting 30% off. Okay, and those who are enrolling today, I have given you all the benefits. You will get all the benefits only at $210, and trust me, it is a very affordable price if you compared with any other institute available in the market. And they are not going to give you lifetime access, and they are not going to prepare you for the interview. Nothing, no support will be there, right? Plus many people find it very tough to understand the concept of CCNA, but in my course I have explained you everything in very simple and easy to understand. Now I am just expecting all of you guys to enroll the course, so that I will try my best to prepare you as a network engineer. Tell me who is interested in the complete course. I am expecting yes from you guys. Just tell me. And if you have any doubt related to course, you can just ask me. I am here to help you. Sasikaran, let's start from you. What you are thinking about the course? Sasikaran, am I audible? Okay, I think he is not available. Susan, I want to hear from you.
Yeah, I'm interested, but that money or that fees is becoming a problem because
Mm-hmm.
I've converted it to my current and
Mm-hmm.
it is 700,000,
Okay.
which is kind of tricky.
Okay. So what price you are expecting? Just let me know. I'm taking just your feedback. Like in your region, what is the course fees?
I was expecting to have that money. In my region, it varies with the places.
Mm-hmm. But average price, what is
It
there?
varies.
What is the average price of CCNA in your region?
It's around 500.
No,
around there.
in dollar, how much it will be?
But 700, yes, it's also there. Even 1 million in dollar. Let me convert. But I'm not really certain because it varies in different places.
Mm-hmm.
And it is because they normally join CCNA with networking. Like it's a combination of many courses.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not certain about the exact fees.
So, do you have any plan to join the complete course? That was I'm asking. Are you interested in a complete course, or what is your feedback on this?
Mm. Mm. I'm interested by that money. I don't think I'll manage. That's the
Okay, okay, not a problem. Be online. Okay,
700.
I just you convert your currency in dollar and just let me know what is the price in your region. Okay, okay. Joseph,
Yes, it's
Joseph,
okay.
am I audible to you? Joseph, am I audible to you? Muhidini, I think you have also joined the last webinar, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. So, how is today's webinar? Just let me know your feedback.
Though I was sometimes being disconnected, but some of the lesson I have understood.
Mm-hmm.
Though
Mm-hmm.
I'm in the way, so it was not easy to catch all of what you are talking.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes, yes. So I think it is okay.
Okay. Where are you from exactly?
I'm from Tanzania.
Okay. It's near to South Africa only, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me what is the
Tanzania.
because see, I
Tan-
believe
Tan- Sorry.
most of the students are available from that region only. So, what is the average price of CCN in your region? Just tell me.
Sorry.
In my batch, right, most of the students are from South Africa only. So, I just want to know what is the average price of CCNA in your region.
Oh, maybe let me. If I will have another wish, if you have another time I can check it, then I will come to you to let you know.
Okay, no. So next webinar, just try to find the answer. Okay, just most of the institute,
Okay,
what is
okay,
the average price? I just want to know your feedback.
okay, okay. When will be the next webinar?
Every Saturday we are going to start same time.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. By Saturday I'll have the answers.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
And try to share the course with other students also. I'm expecting more students to enroll. Try to share the course with your colleagues, friends.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Uh,
Yeah.
Joseph, am I audible to you? You can unmute yourself and ask your question. Your audio is not coming. I'm not sure you are telling something or not. Susan, have you converted your currency to US dollar? Just let me know.
It is 777,000.
77,000 in your currency, right? What about in dollar? How much it will be? Okay, do one thing. Tell me your currency name. What you call currency in your region? What is the name of the currency?
Like I
Mm-hmm.
shillings, shillings,
Shillings.
shillings.
Can you write it down in the chat box? Just type in
Yes.
the chat. I will find and let you know. Okay, ceilings. All right, let me check it once. In ceilings, how much it is? You're telling 700, right? For 7,000.
Yes, 700.
700. You will not get like CCN at such a low
No,
price.
it's 700.
So 700 means you will get.
Because yes, a dollar is
No, like you may get only video. You will not get a live class at such a low price. Okay, you will get a recorded. You may get a recorded session, recorded video. You will get at this price, but live classes, I don't think it is available at such a affordable price. Are you checking on Udemy or something?
I'm trying to check, but I'm failing. I'm not finding.
Yeah, you can just check.
But you could be right. I can get a video, but not a live class.
Yeah, if you want to video, means video is also available in our batch. We can give you the video access, but you cannot access the live classes. So if you have any doubts and all, you cannot ask. But if yes, if you want video access, we can give you that also. Just let me know if you are interested.
Okay, I will let you know.
Okay, I will text you in WhatsApp. Okay, don't worry. Daniel has joined recently. Daniel, networking course has joined.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
Daniel, you are late. Where are you from such a long time? Am I audible to you, Daniel?
Yes, sir. Sir, basically, I'm in office. Therefore, I will let come.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
basically from Pakistan, sir.
From where?
Pakistan.
Oh, Pakistan. Okay. Love from India, bro.
Thank you, sir. Love you too.
Okay, okay. Actually, see, webinar is almost ending today. Okay, so we have learned the basics of IP address and networking devices, and our new batch is starting from the coming Monday. So, are you
Okay,
planning?
sir.
Are you planning to join?
Sir, as basically I have done CCNA and I am just looking for CCNP
Okay,
new
okay.
badges.
No, currently I am only I am only teaching CCNA as of now, not CCNP. In future,
Oh,
I may prepare for CCNP as well and other courses. But
okay,
right
sir.
now, I am
Is
focusing
there
only on
any chance
CCNA.
of MCSC?
Yeah, MCSE I am preparing, and you will get. I will send you message once it is available.
Okay, sir. No
But
worries.
be
Thank
like
you.
stay connected to my channel, and I will let you know once done. It will take some time
Okay, sir.
because until it is perfect, I am not going to prepare, right? Because I give my 100% so that no compromise in teaching. This is how.
Yes,
This is what I believe.
I saw your videos a lot, sir, from YouTube channel.
Yeah, yeah. So is it easy to understand? Okay, nice. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your feedback. Looking forward to see you in the upcoming batches. So try to share our courses with your friends because I am trying my best and I want to teach as many students as possible because I love teaching Cisco CCNA. Okay, this is my passion. I love doing this. Okay, so see you guys in the next webinar and expecting you guys to join the Cisco CCNA. If you want to learn everything from the very basics, try to join as soon as possible. Don't waste your time in overthinking. Okay, the course fees is not too much if you compare to any institute. Just you can compare, and whatever features, whatever value I am giving to you guys, if you compare it, you will find it as at a very affordable price. Okay, so good night, take care, bye bye, love you all.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for joining, take care.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thanks. चलो जी, अब आते हैं हम YouTube की दुनिया में। कौन कौन लाइव स्ट्रीम फिलहाल दिख रहा है, ज़रा बताओ हमें, हम भी देखें। दोज आर अवेलेबल। और मन में कुछ भी डाउट होगा तो सीधा पूछ सकते हैं। यू कैन डायरेक्टली आस्क मी योर डाउट्स इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स इन योर माइंड। आई विल बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू गाइस। Alright guys, it's time to say good night, take care and bye bye. If you have any doubt related to the course, you can just let me know. Just fill up the form available on my website. The link is given in the description section below. And once you fill up the form, you are going to get a WhatsApp message, and on that particular message you can reply if you want to know more about the course, and I will be happy to help you guys. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye, love you all.